As you probably already know, soon everyone around you will have a Maiar wallet. Maiar is the wallet that aims to bring the first billion people into the crypto world, that means, into the world of decentralized money. If you want to have control over your money, as decided by over 1 million people who have this wallet, then you are exactly where you need to be. With Maiar's wallet, no one except you has access to your funds. No bank can block your account and limit your activity. Nobody asks you for explanations, and there is no risk of fraud. Here I want to raise a big alarm. The security of your money in this application depends exclusively on the security of your secret phrase. Here I want to delve a little deeper into the subject, because it is very important if you want to trade securely. The authentication on this decentralized wallet is based on a string of 24 words that you receive when you open your account. These words are automatically generated, and no one but you knows them. Those 24 words, in the correct order, are the key to your wallet. You have only one key, and you can't ask for a spare key from anyone if you lose it. You have absolute control over your money, but also absolute responsibility. You should know that no one will ever ask you for this secret phrase unless they want to steal your money. No one on the Elrond team needs that phrase. If someone wants to send you money in your Maiar wallet, does not need this phrase, he needs the address of the wallet, the currency in which he wants to please you. Just like at the bank, you have an IBAN for the dollar account, and a different one for the euro account. Also here, for each currency, there are different wallet addresses. Do not take a picture of the secret phrase, and do not keep it on your phone or other devices, because you risk losing money. Write it on a piece of paper, and put it well. My recommendation would be to have several sheets in several places. You can mix the words on the sheet for more safety, in an order known only to you. This video is far from enough for your journey into the crypto world, but it is a good starting point. Inform yourself before doing something new, and preferably inform yourself from several places, to see different points of view. Now let's move on to the next point. To download the application safely, go to the description of the video and access the link we have prepared for you. Using the link in the description of the two benefits, on your first purchase of over $200, you will receive a $10 gift in EGOLD, the main currency of your wallet. And the second benefit is that you avoid accessing a wallet clone that can steal your data. Install and open the Maiar application on your mobile phone. You will need to see the same images you see now on the screen. I advise you to read the introductory messages, because they contain important information that will guide you through your journey in your Maiar digital wallet. You will have a choice of two options. We are interested in creating a new wallet, so we will access that section. Next, you will need a valid phone number to receive a message with a verification code. Enter the phone number, then enter in the application the code you received on the phone number of your choice. Once the phone number is confirmed, you can start using the application, without ever needing other documents proving your identity. You will not be asked for your name or email. At the bottom you will find a list of the steps you need to follow to use the application safely. I recommend you pay attention to these details. Set a PIN code, but remember that PIN code is only valid for your mobile phone. If you use the same wallet on another phone, you will need to enter a different PIN code. These codes are meant to protect your access from that device, and to access your wallet from a new device, you need the secret phrase. The next step after setting a PIN code is to back up the secret phrase. Remember the advice I told you earlier about this secret phrase. If you care about your money, I really recommend you listen to the first part of the video again. The next step is not about security, but about your goal. Set your target for the purchase of EGOLD. Let's choose for example 1 EGOLD per week and activate the notification option. Go ahead and read the bonus materials. You have a beginner's guide that will be very useful to you. It contains important information that you should know before you start using the application. It doesn't take more than 2 minutes to read everything. The next important step is to establish your hero tag. This scene name cannot be changed once you set it. Friends can send your money easily by searching for this hero tag, and this saves the risky operations of sending wallet addresses and excludes the risk of mistakes. Your friends and family can also find you by phone number. But because the app cares about the privacy of your money, you have the option to turn off these features at any time. Keep doing the rest of the settings. On the main screen you have 4 buttons. The first, Send, is to send money. The second, Deposit, is to copy the address of your wallet and receive money. The next, from left to right, the Buy button, opens a list of options through which you can buy EGOLD directly in Maiar. Choose the method that suits you from that list, depending on the country where you live and your preferred payment method. The last button is Earn. Here you can put the EGOLD you bought at the stake, and you will receive a very good interest for it. To put EGOLD at stake you need at least 1 coin. I'll show you how to choose a staking agency. At the top left, in the filters, select to show only the active ones. This means that you will only see the agencies that still have seats available at the stake. And in the upper right, you can choose to appear in the order of interest, starting with the highest APR. APR means the annual interest, without reinvesting this interest. As you can see at the moment they are APR over 15% per year, which means a much higher APY than that, considering that you have the opportunity to reinvest your rewards daily. Clicking on your profile, downside right, you can also see what level you have and what stickers you have collected so far. You receive stickers for 3 different criteria. The first category is determined by the number of friends who use Maiar Wallet. The second is based on how much progress you make in the application, and the last category is based on the amount of EGOLD you have. At the bottom of the application, the second button on the left, called the Wallet, will take you to the wallets of all the coins you have or not. Scrolling to the right will reveal all the coins you can store in this wallet. There are few now and most likely, by the time you see this video there will be many more. If this tutorial was useful to you, don't forget to like this video as a sign of appreciation. If you want to see more material like this, do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel, so as not to lose valuable information that we post daily. You can share this video to help us revolutionize the way we use money. Thank you for staying until the end, and I leave on the screen on the left another video with which to continue your journey through the magical world of the EGOLD ecosystem.